Did Hamdan pay?
I will go to bring my money from the car.
Sorry.
Sana.
For me, it will be 19. For me, it will be 19.
Ha?
For me, it will be 19. I will go to bring my money from the car. 19. Not this Saturday, before Saturday. I will pay.
Ay, didn't pay. So, 16.
Not this before, before Saturday.
Hirap naman.
The third one.
Oh, so, 90.
Yes, 19.
Okay.
19 because for Aisha. Well, I will go, my work will come fast because it take money.
Okay. Kinuha mo na?
Oo, nibayad ako. Ito, magbibiti to.
Ito din si Jen eh. Sila sabi mo. Eh, paano to?
Siya, ano, biti rin daw ba siya?
Ito.
Magbibiti rin daw ba siya?
Hmm.
At sa EBS, ito sa EBS.
Anong biti?
Bank transfer. Hindi, cash ka lang.
Cash ka na ba?
Ay, gago na. Sorry.
Ay.
Sorry. Cash, may cash naman. Magkano? 30. 30. Sige, go. Kunin ka sa sasakyan. Ka lang. Good! Ako na siya.
Ikaw na. Ibibiti ko.
Wag mo. Sabi niya ba?
Eh, sabi niya kasi siya daw magbabayad na. Ay, si ano. Sino nga yan yung si... Saan yung nakadream? Ayun.
Si Dave? Ano? Si Eve, tsaka si Marco. Si Marco ito na matangkad, nakasalamin.
Oo
Yung
nga.
kay Tonet. Siya daw magbayad?
Hindi. Yan o, yung nakasalamin.
Oo, si Marco. Ito yan.
Oo. Ayun nga, sabi na dito daw. Ay, si ano?
God.
Hindi, sabi niya nga.
Ha?
I-ano nga daw niya.
Sino? Spot sila dalawa? Magkasama sila?
Hindi, ito at saka sino nga yung si ano?
Lors.
Ayun,
Si
Hindi,
Lors?
yung nakalagay natin sa...
Si Sia.
Si yan.
Tsaka?
Ito. Ito at saka ito.
Mag-bank transfer daw?
Oo, ano daw sa'yo. Sabi ko yung
Kasi kailangan natin ng cash.
Kaya nga.
Kailangan namin. Sige, okay lang. O, sige.
Kulang pa din.
Oo, kailangan ko ng cash. Para bukas. Tijas, okay lang. Thank you. Galing ah. Hindi nag-stock Tijas.
Ha?
May pandesal.
Sige lang.
Palaman ketchup.
Oh, sige lang. Pati sa...
Sino ba yan?
Kay John ba?
Bito din siya?
Kay John. Kaya nga. Ito. Bakit siya napid nito ikaw?
Oh, Hindi, binayad siya ano. Binayad siya ni Wang.
Di ba?
Oo, silang dalawa.
Susunod kasi may Mamaya na lang.
Tapos si, ano, sino pa? Sino pang hula? Si Marky tsaka si Lulu. Cash naman yan.
Sino yun?
Si Lord. Sino yun doon sa likod niya, ano nito
Ah,
rin?
siya. Si Marky.
Si Marky.
Paano si Joy?
Hmm?
Si Joy. Ito na yun?
Oh, si Ate Joy? Ano, nagbayad na siya.
Ah, okay. Nasuklian ko na sila.
Si Richie Pisok, di ba?
Oo.
Meron?
Nabigyan ko na.
Richie?
Pero sabi niya may 10 pa daw siya nung last week. So,
Wala. Kalimutan ko na.
nabigay ko na yung 10.
Kasi Ace.
Nagre-repair.
Ha?
Nagre-repair.
Nag-open naman ako. Pwede mo, boss. Ay, galing. Magaling na si Minnie.
Oo. Tira na nga siya ng tira eh.
Outside! 7. In Al Safa. Not Al-Safa. Not Al-Safa. In on passive. What court is that? No. Sukim. Girls school. Tama ba yung pinag?
Tama.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you.
Sukim. Sukim. Wow, very good.
I'm always serious. I'm always serious. If I'm not serious, I will not be close.
I don't know. They play like.
I am always serious. How they teach me the club, I have to make here.
You have to play the same play on August 15. They are very strong. No, you cannot play TV. Very strong.
Okay.
But you think I see them spike I can't see. Why you
Makin no. The strong.
they don't want strong.
Yeah, only level 5. Only level 5.
But when you will see them
Yes.
tomorrow, they are all strong. Wala. The chocolate necklace smaller.
And but Ali said he would be late on you know this Marco will play with
But I was at the
Lors. Ivan? Lors.
Yeah.
80
Yes.
480 226 30 101 95 29 401
Which bank?
NBD
MBD?
Everest NBD
Bank today. JO?
NA TH AN
Jonathan?
yeah
Jonathan.
Pacheco space A C H yeah this one You're okay with second floors? It's a good second.
Yes.
But which one you're open?
What do you want?
No, it's up to you. You're
No,
comfortable.
see.
Lars!
If I am middle, you see my game how to go. If you want me open, I will finish. What do you want? You want middle or you want there? I'm for middle. Yes.
Anong maganda sa kanyang laro? Sa 50? Middle o open? Ano will play open?
I don't know who is Alex.
Nakita mo yung matangkad. The tall one. Yung laro sa akin sa kabilang
Nature.
court.
May
Ah.
nature. But Hamdan.
How about the Hamdan? Which
Hamdan, you can play middle or top.
Middle or open?
Yeah, middle or top.
Okay. But you are what you want? See, I am sure I can adjust.
Yeah.
I am in middle, I can be rebel. What you want? Just tell me, because you are the one who called me guys.
Maganda ng defense yun.
It's okay, you can play middle. And then Nathan, kilala mo si Nathan.
Oo.
Malakas na siya.
Okay? Sinong dalawa ni Ali open? Kaya din Sige.
You can play middle.
Yeah, no problem.
Because I have one.
Para dalawa kayo ang daya din sa middle.
But first put the one spike, the one good,
Yeah.
the one you bring.
Yeah.
So that because I is sometimes crazy. Yes, I know. Already there. Okay, I will.
Yung 4. Who's gonna be number 4?
Si John, si Ace, si Marky.
4 sila.
Si JC. Ang papipilian. Pwede mo i-open din sila. Yes. Okay.
Wait. 2 hours garage.
Pray. Sino nalo?
Doors.
Lors? Richie? Tsaka? Ano score sabi na? 11?